Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a 3D mock-up of this medicine box. Now it's really easy to do. So as you can see that I have already created this template right over here. So what you have to do is that, just in case if you haven't seen this tutorial yet, I highly recommend that you first watch this video on how you can make this eye cream and then proceed to this video right here. So what I've done is that I've already opened up my template right here, and I've made copies of all these 4 sides over here as well, and I've also grouped them together, right? So all this is grouped in one object, similarly with all the other ones as well, right? So once that's done, what I'm going to do now is that I will be adding all these shapes into this symbol panel right here. So just in case if you cannot see the symbol panel, you can activate it by going over here to this window panel and selecting this symbols panel right here. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm just going to drag these shapes onto the symbols panel right here, and I'm going to rename them as well. So this is going to be side 2 symbol, this is going to be the front side symbol. I'm going to select these two and also delete them since we are done using this. This is going to be side 1 symbol, and the last one, which is right here, I'm gonna bring it right over here, and this is going to be the back symbol, back side symbol. Okay, so once that's done, I can also delete the sides now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select the background, which is the white color, click on Alt to make a copy like this, and I'm going to make another copy like that, because since I'm going to show 2 sides, right? So I'm going to select these two, go to Effect, and in the Illustrator effects I'm going to select 3D and click on Extrude and Bevel. So over here I'm just going to change this view like this and give the extrude depth to be 250 points, and see, this looks fine, but the only thing that I have to do is that I have to also remove the stroke, and then I'm going to apply the 3D effect again. And extrude depth is 250 points. Click on OK, and there you go. So I'm going to select this one first, go back to Effect, 3D, and Extrude and Bevel. So I'm going to click on Map Art, and let's see. Wait. So one mistake I did was that I have to do it one by one in order so that I can see all the parts equally, right? So I'm going to repeat this again. So it was 250 points, preview. Yeah, I'm going to go to Map Art now, and over here in this front side where the red outline is there, this is the front part. So I'm just going to add the front side symbol like this, and then I'm going to change the side till I come over here, and I'm going to add this one which says directions to use. So it was side symbol 1, and I'm going to click on OK. But problem is that it's coming out to be like that, right? So I'm going to undo this. Cancel. Wait, oops. Extrude level. yeah, so this was front side. I'm just gonna change the side was so side 1, and I'm just gonna rotate this till it becomes straight like that. And as you can see, this also gets changed, and you can see that the directions to use also fits perfectly now. Then I'm just going to click on OK and OK. Alright. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side as well. So I'm going to select this document, go to Effect, 3D, and click on Extrude and Bevel. The extrude depth is going to be 250 points. Click on Preview. Go to Map Art again, and this time I'm going to add the back side. So the back side is going to be the backside symbol like that. And let's see this side. This side is going to be side 2 symbol, and I'm going to rotate this as well. And let's see if it fits. Yep. So now it looks all better. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna click on OK and OK again. So now that we've got this, I'm gonna select these two, go to Object and click on Expand Appearance. Right? I'm going to select my template and going to get rid of that as well. So I'm just going to resize these two by clicking onto Shift and the Alt button like that. I'm going to place them right here. Oops. Yeah, I'm going to select this one, place this at the top, select this one and place it at the bottom right here. So I'm going to just ungroup this twice, right? I'm just going to select this portion and I'm going to add a stroke like that, or probably not. I'm just going to let it be the way it is. Okay, so once that's done, I can go ahead and also now save my file. So in order to do that, I'll be going to File and clicking on Save As. So by default, my file name is going to be the same as my document name, but I'm going to change the file name to 3D mockup of medicine box template of an eye cream, and the save as type is going to be Adobe Illustrator. I highly recommend that we save our file in this format so that in case if I want to make any other changes, I can easily do that by accessing my AI file. And I'm going to click on Enter and enter again. It's going to take a few seconds for it to be saved into an AI file, and once that's done, you can see that it gets saved with the updated name. So once that's done, now we have successfully saved, and that's it. So I hope you found this video to be useful, and with a little practice you can make different products for you can make packaging for different products as well. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.